What's going on, everybody? So I'm going to be doing a trade breakdown of a trade that I took from my mobile phone on Friday. Now, I'm trading on the futures desk prop firm. I think I like the future desk because they're straight to, not like they're straight to live program, but to get to live is so much easier and it's so much like right there in your face. There's no like hidden things that you must worry about or things of that nature. But I'm actually using like the Project X integration. Now, I love Project X because the simple fact of like the trade lockout feature. I can set my daily loss limit or my potential profit target for the day, and it locks me out of my account for the rest of the trading day. That way, I'm not over trading or I'm not going on tilt and I'm blowing my account. But with this trade, I trade the 15-minute opening range breakout and the retest. That's my strategy. It works for me, it works for my psychology as well as my mentality. But for this trade, right? So if we go here, I'm gonna do it on this side. It's my 15-minute range like time frame right here. So with this one, right, we had this 15-minute candle right here from 9:30. This is the first 15-minute candle of the opening day yesterday. Superior strong value. So in my mindset, okay, I should be looking for long entries once we break out and we retest. That's my criteria. That's been my edge for the past few months. That's what's giving me like my best results, my best trades, and my greatest confidence. But if we go to the the 5 minute, right? Like I said, I always wait for a breakout and a retest on a 5 minute time frame with high volume. We did not break out. We broke out and we reclaimed it. That to me is a bearish sign. Now, I do not go short because this is not a trade that I normally take. I only take my A setup trades that I can do every single time, repeatable, time and time again. So this does not work for me. But one thing I do want to definitely tell everybody is that with the 15-minute opening range, one thing that I've noticed is that the top of the range can sometimes act as resistance and the bottom of the range sometimes acts as support. So as you can see here, buyers came in on this bullish hammer. This right here, what you're seeing is a pivot point. I trade pivot points as well. But as you can see here, we broke above the pivot. Bulls took us straight up. But we had news at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock news, the market can go in either direction depending on the news. So this move could have was, as you can see, was a false move to the upside. Bears came through and they knocked us down. But what do we see here? We're above the VWAP. So according to my strategy and my rules, I cannot go short while we are above the VWAP. I cannot do that. I have to only look for long positions until we are below the VWAP. That is my criteria. That's what works best for me. Those are my rules. And then when I break my rules, I lose. But for this trade, right, I took my trades right here. I got in at 24,651, which means that I got in here. I got it a little bit late though. Got in right here and I sold for like right here because I was only going for $180 because of the daily profit target on these accounts. Now, was this trade the best trade that I could have took? No, but it made sense. Why? Because Bull stepped in here. I could not get short here regardless because Bulls clearly showing that they had interest right here at this level. So that's why I personally did not go short. So I went long here, boom, and I got out. I got in at 651 and I got out at 24,671. 20 points. That's it. That's it. Just like that. Now my stop would have had to been below this candle, which was not the great risk to reward. But with what we saw here on this big hammer candle on the 5 minute time frame, that's why it worked out. And yeah, that was my trade setup. And of course, as you can see here, we formed a bull flag and price just went down, down, down. That's it. 5 minute bull flag right there. I'm sorry, 5 minute bear flag right here. Then price just rejected off this pivot with a good hammer candle and boom, that was it. Bulls could not reclaim it to save their life. We formed a 5 minute flag here, and boom, that was it. After that, Bears were just in control. We chopped the rest of the day, chop, 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 could not get back over the VWAP. And when price is below the VWAP, I'm only looking for shorts until bulls tell me otherwise. Price action is king. My rules are my rules. And yeah, that was my trade for yesterday. So yeah, if you found some knowledge and you got some insight from this video, please like and subscribe. And yeah, I will see you guys on the next trade recap video.